you just cut me off and you were like this far from the front of my vehicle.
I had my blinker on. I don't need you honking your horn and getting on the loudspeaker saying anything.
I got it right here, man. I can't see your blinker because I sit higher than you when you're that close to me.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's video is a few years old and was submitted by Steve, an EMT that was working on an ambulance. Steve and his partner were en route to pick up a patient for a non-emergency interfacility transport in Baltimore. It's important to note that an ambulance is generally much taller than the ride of other vehicles. Steve also mentioned that his dashcam was fixed to the windshield and that from the driver's seat, the view is further back and from a much lower angle. While driving in moderate traffic, a Maryland state trooper pulled up on the right side of the ambulance. Steve immediately notices that the trooper is driving abnormally.
You're driving like an asshole, cop.
Seconds later, the trooper recklessly merges into Steve's lane.
Jesus, dude, what are you doing, man? What's the matter with you? What's the matter?
Dude, don't do that.
God, dude. What are you doing? Pull me over.
I told you he's gonna pull you over. Don't smart off the...
Then he almost got me into an accident.
Steve pulls into the right lane to let the trooper leave, but the trooper sticks with him and activates his emergency lights. The trooper then pulls up to the left side of the ambulance, and Steve motions for him to go.
Let's get out of here. Go. Let's get out of here.
Seriously, pull over.
You want me to pull over?
Don't smart off the cops. God damn.
I'll smart off over on f***ing once.
The trooper doesn't let it go, and eventually, Steve pulls over. Moments later, the trooper approaches.
The fact that you just cut me off and you were like this far from the front of my vehicle.
I had my blinker on. I saw your headlights.
I can't see your blinker because you're too close.
Listen, my blinker was on and I can see your headlights, okay? I don't need you honking your horn and getting on the loudspeaker saying anything.
I got it right here, man. You cut me off. You were like this close to the front of me. I can't see your blinker because I sit higher than you when you're that close to me.
Okay,
there's no reason for you to jump in front of me like that.
What you mean jump in front of you? I signaled it. I had a signal.
I can't see your signal when you're that close
with you.
I'm not arguing with you either.
Okay.
It's right here.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Have a nice day.
You too.
I will.
Be careful out there.
I am. You too. Dude, why the f*** did you just cuss that cop?
I don't give a shit, dude.
Well, I do.
It doesn't affect you, Eddie.
Yeah, it does. You just put a bullseye in the back of my ambulance.
No, I did not put a bullseye in the back of your ambulance. That cop knows he was wrong. He knows this on the dash cam. That's why he just said, have a good day with an attitude. I don't put up with shit like that. He cut me off. There was absolutely no reason for it. You saw what he did. I couldn't see his signal. That's 100% truth.
I mean,
that will show that you can't see his signal.
One, dude, we also have a busted in front of
It's a daytime. I know the law, dude. I didn't break it. He was an and he wanted to show his balls. And when I wasn't like, oh, I'm so sorry, I called him out. He deserved to be called out for what he just did. He got called out for it. Then I'm gonna save that video as soon as they pull over. I'm gonna save that video. I'm just gonna turn it off now, so I've got it.
Little did Steve know he would end up submitting this video several years later to be featured and to warn others that a dash cam should be an essential component of your everyday carry, especially if your occupation involves regular driving. There are tons to choose from, ranging from $50 to thousands of dollars, but most of the expensive ones have comparable video quality, as the chips used are generally the same. The more expensive ones usually boast more features than video quality, such as Wi-Fi viewing, GPS, cloud storage, multiple cameras, larger capacity, or even independent batteries.
Hey Siri, I'm being pulled over.
Streaming live video to John.
Have a good day, sir.
All of which is fine and dandy, but the important part is that you get one, install it, and run it 24/7. A single accident or law enforcement encounter will usually make it pay for itself, but because there are so many luxury features, it's easy to get lost in the rabbit hole of trying to find the perfect one. You won't. It doesn't exist. Gaining one feature usually means losing another, and the only way to get everything you desire in a dashcam is to buy several and mount them everywhere. In the description below, you can find 3 of my suggestions, ranging from low to mid-priced if you've been sleeping on getting one. Do it, and email me the day it saves your ass. Or, if you think you know the perfect camera, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll scope it out. A big thanks to Steve for standing his ground and submitting this video. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.